Hi everyone, I'm Irma, and in this video I'm going to show you what's new in Visual Composer. We've just launched version 31.0 and there are some pretty cool things that you should definitely know about. The release was all about improving the UI and UX of Visual Composer, as well as make it way easier to get help and understand the plugin. So, enough talking, let me just show you what we've got. Let's start with the UI UX improvements that will just ease your life and make the building process easier and much faster. So the thing you'll notice straight away if you've ever used Visual Composer is that we have merged the Add Element and Add Template windows into one very convenient Add Content window. So this is how it looked before. As you can see, here's the Add Element tab and here's the Add Template window. But now, this is how it looks. This is the same plus icon, and you'll see two beautiful tabs here. One for elements, one for templates. We've always been fans of very simple interface that is not cluttered, so this is one of the ways that we're trying to achieve that. So without even leaving this window, there's yet another improvement, and it's element grouping. You know, there's a lot of elements in Visual Composer, and sometimes you don't know how exactly the one you're looking for is called. So we've grouped them in a logical sort of order. As you can see, there's basic elements, elements for media, buttons, that sort of thing, that you can access them quickly. Another thing that you can see right here is most used elements. So the elements you've used the most will be right there at the top, and you won't have to look for them at all. So yet another way to work way quicker. The handy little column resizing tool is a big help when you want to quickly adjust columns. So what we did is we made it better. Before it looked like this. When you hover right where two columns meet, you see this little icon. When you click on it, you can resize the columns and you see the values. Not bad. And another thing, you see all these borders here. Not bad, but there's something we could do. And we did. So this is how it looks now. Once you hover over this place where columns meet, you see this little handy icon and the values. And you can just drag anywhere you want and you see the values all the time. And hopefully you notice, if you didn't, I'm going to point it out right now here, is that we've gotten rid of all of those unnecessary borders to, again, make this a lot less cluttered. It's all about your design. We believe that the best way to get familiar with our product is to just get your hands on it as soon as possible. So we've created multiple ways you can get help and information about features right when you come across them in the editor or in the dashboard actually. So, to offer a bit of guidance from our side, you can try the tutorial template. So, the template is available in the WordPress dashboard, here in the Getting Started page. What you can do here is read about the features, play around in the editor without any commitment. When you're ready to create your first page, we want to quickly run through the most important features of Visual Composer so that you can start working straight away and know what's what. So, our help guide will appear when you create your first page, like here. And this is the guide. As you can see, these little icons will show you information about the features that you have to know right from the start. But let's say you've skipped this or you want to see them again, you can enable the help guide if you go to the dashboard, here Visual Composer dashboard, and here you can enable the help guide. And don't forget to save. Once you've done this, you're going to see the help guide the next time you open the editor. We know that when you start using a brand new tool, you can't know everything right from the start or know what we meant with each feature. So now there are these little help icons all across the editor that have brief descriptions about the features. So if for example, I open the edit window for any row, you can see these little icons here, and they will just describe what you're looking at, like custom row layout, for example. You can see the values that we suggest. the same with everything here actually. You can see what the features mean, and you don't have to go outside of the editor unless you want to. You can visit our help center, but most of the things you will find here in the editor straight away. Alright, these have been the things you'll see when you get your hands on the newest version of Visual Composer. So, of course, don't forget to update your plugin if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time when we've got something new and exciting to show you. Thank you all for watching.